Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use shapes in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. You can create a new blank canvas by clicking File and then New, or open an existing image by clicking File and Open. Next, go to the Shapes section in the top toolbar. Here you will see different shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, arrows, stars, and lines. Click on any shape you want to use. Then move your mouse to the canvas. Click and drag to draw the shape. Release the mouse button when the shape reaches the size you want. You can change the outline color by selecting a color from the color palette. You can also change the fill color if you want the shape to be filled with a color. To make the outline thicker, choose a different line size from the toolbar. You can create multiple shapes and combine them to make diagrams, logos, banners, or simple designs. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold the Shift key while dragging the shape. This helps create evenly proportioned shapes. If you make a mistake, use the Undo button or the Eraser tool to remove the unwanted shape. When your design is finished, click File and choose Save As. Select PNG or JPEG, choose a location on your computer, and click Save. That's it. This is the easiest way to use shapes in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.